Hi everybody, Bob Icino from the Stock Think Tank, co-portfolio manager, along with Mike Arnold. Before I forget, because I will forget, I want to wish you all a very happy, healthy, and joyous holiday season. We are a Christmas family, but whatever it is you celebrate, please do celebrate it and enjoy each other, whoever you get to enjoy, and please stay safe. And thank you for being with us this past year. It was a fruitful one so far. I don't think we can screw it up at this point. There's very little left. We've had a really, really good year and we expect to continue to outperform. So let's talk about what happened over the last week or two. Let's kind of make it a 10-day window. We're looking at, well, first of all, I'm speaking to you on Monday afternoon, right, where the Dow actually led a rebound from being down on the future side over 800 points after Congress agreed to a stimulus package. Again, sell the fact, right? Buy the rumor, sell the fact. But also the UK led with lockdowns because of a new strain of the coronavirus. Now, I'm not going to talk about this new strain. I've read things that have said that it's going to be less deadly, more contagious, and there's probably a little bit of an overreaction, but I'm not a virologist, so that's not what I'm here to talk to you guys about, nor do I pretend to know anything about that. What I do know is that going into low liquidity holiday markets, you will see people take profits when there's news that they can't decipher or understand. Now, we've been slowly cutting positions out of our core portfolio and our special plays as well. It's not deliberate, and it's not based on the time of year that it is. As you know, we either get stopped out or we get profited out. We get to our target and we take that trade off. I want to talk about one specifically that we took off. When did we take that off? The 18th. So actually today, that would have been in today's highs. Yeah. So during the day today, we took off Activision, which was a special play. So a lot of you don't know about that one unless you're full members of the Stock Think Tank. But that was a stock that we actually got in September 16th. So that's like a 4-month hold. That's pretty much going to be one of the longer ones you'll see in our portfolio. But that also shows you the discipline that we have. Now, when we put that stock on, right, we put it on at $81.68. Okay. On November 11th, it actually went all the way down to $71.19, and our stop was at $75.41. So it was a full $4.50, $4.30 some odd cents below our stop level. But as I've mentioned before, our stops are executed on a close below, then we get out the next day. That day that Activision made a low of $71.19, it closed at $75.41. Remember, our stop was at $74.95. So it closed a good 46 cents above our stop level. It then rallied, and today on the highs, we got out at a full profit. Now, also, we extended the target on that one. So as we were approaching the target, it was building momentum, which will happen when a stock gets that close to the lows. It was building momentum and then came back up. Same thing happened with Pfizer. You saw it rally and build this momentum, so we extended the target another few cents, quite a bit more actually. And we got out of that at not only a full profit, but a more than the expected profit when we calculated that trade out. So we ended up having a really good trade on Activision, even though it took some time to get out of. This past 10 days or so, we've gotten out of 2 core trades and 3 special plays. We're gonna get out of another core trade tomorrow, as it looks like Unum Group is getting stopped out. Unum Group and Lulu, which was a special play, both getting stopped out, are getting stopped out of profits, small profits. Because again, once price action allows us to do that, we move our stops higher. So we're being stopped out, but we're making money on those. The other ones that we got out of, there was FXE, which was a special play, and that was a Euro currency ETF, full profit on that one. We got out of Activision, I already mentioned, full profit on that one. We got out of Pfizer, full profit on that one. Tractor Supply Company we got out of today, which again, we raised the target on that one because the momentum was building. Full profit on that one. So essentially every single one that we've gotten out of the 5 that I've mentioned, all have been profits. That's all going into our till, and that is unassailable performance. That's performance that the markets can't take away because we no longer have the exposure. So as you see the equities trade over these next couple of weeks, I'll do another update next week because I'll be working, but it's not going to be very comprehensive simply because things are going to be quiet and misleading because of the lower volume. But as we go in, if we have another trade, and we are looking at one, by the way, you'll get that trade. So watch your email. You still may get a trade that you need to put on. Anyway, that's your update for today. Again, I hope you guys have a happy and healthy holiday season. And thank you for putting your trust in us. I'm really looking forward to 2021, man. It's going to be volatile, and I think it'll play well into our strategy at the Stock Think Tank. We'll talk to you guys next week.